Container Tank, where we find the best quality containers.
Last time on Container Tank, generic Tupperware company failed to impress us with their Tupperware.
Worst products I've seen on this show.
Well, when will we ever find a good container?
Someone say good containers!
Wow!
At EasyPack, our products are guaranteed to be durable, customizable, and recyclable. Here, try it.
It's durable. Wow.
They're so unique.
Like the other one.
These products are fantastic.
We're looking for $500,000 for 10% of our company.
Want to see where it came from?
Yeah!
Unique engineering and design team to make these products.
This is a mold that we printed on the printer. Particular mold is a flat bottom tray, and the sample that's in my hand is the tray with the elevated freshness features in it. So you can see the features in the bottom of the tray will allow us to get the customer's product up off the bottom and not sitting in any of the juices that may come off of the product.
That was cool. What else is there?
There's also our recycling process.
What about it?
Let us show you.
Everything that we have at EasyPack is 100% recyclable. So what we do is, in our process, which you'll see, after we make the initial product that goes out to the consumer, what's left over is ground up, and it goes right back again. It can be reused again, so it's a constant loop of production.
Well, we have our operators doing constant quality checks on the floor on every machine, so that no product that isn't functioning correctly makes it out.
How did you get back here?
That was very interesting. So, would you like to invest?
Oh, yeah.
Nom nom nom. This strawberry is very good.
It's not a strawberry.